This is Shubhranjini from the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in SNS College of Engineering. Welcome. Today, we are diving into a fascinating topic that's transforming the world of healthcare. Artificial intelligence and wearable technology. Together, these innovations are redefining how we monitor, manage, and improve our health. From smartwatches that track your heart rate to AI systems predicting health risks before symptoms even appear. Personalized healthcare is no longer a distant dream, it's here and it's empowering individuals to take control of their well being. Join me as we explore the powerful partnership of AI and wearable tech in healthcare. The personalized healthcare revolution. Let's start by understanding what personalized healthcare means. At its core, personalized healthcare tailors treatments to each individual. By using data like your genetic makeup, lifestyle habits, and even daily activities, medical professionals can create care plans uniquely suited to you. Here is where AI and wearables come in. These technologies are shifting the focus from relative healthcare, treating illness after they occur, to a proactive approach that predicts, prevents, and monitors conditions in real time. This is a game changer for improving outcomes and reducing healthcare costs. AI is transforming healthcare in three major ways. Predictive analytics. By analyzing vast amount of data, AI can detect early signs of diseases. For example, it can identify patterns that suggest diabetics, heart disease, or even certain cancers, allowing for timely intervention. Personalized plans. AI uses your genetic and lifestyle data to recommend treatments tailored specifically for you. Imagine a medication plan optimized for your body chemistry. Virtual assistants. These are like having a doctor on call 24 by 7. AI assists provide reminders, answer health questions, and even monitor symptoms in real time. Together, these advancements are pushing the boundaries of what's possible in medical care. Now, let's talk about wearable technology. These devices are revolutionizing how we monitor our health daily. Smartwatches, fitness trackers, biosensors. Wearables are more than gadgets, they are tools that empower individuals to take an active role in managing their health. AI and wearables. Individually, AI and wearables are transformative. Together, they are unstoppable. Here's how this partnership works. Real-time data analysis, AI-driven health risk prediction, personalized fitness recommendations. This synergy between AI and wearables is paving the way for smarter, more personalized healthcare. Benefits of personalized healthcare. So, why does personalized healthcare matters? Let's look at some of the key benefits. Improved diagnostic. AI enhances the accuracy of diagnosis, ensuring the right treatments are provided. Early intervention. Wearables and AI work together to detect potential health issues early, reducing costs and improving outcomes. Enhanced engagement. Patients are more involved in managing their health, leading to better adherence and healthier lifestyle. By putting individuals at the center of care, personalized healthcare delivers better results for both patients and providers. Challenges and future prospects. While the potential is immense, there are challenges we need to address. The data privacy, integration with systems, cost of devices. Looking ahead, the future is promising. With advances in AI, wearable devices, and healthcare integration, we can expect a more proactive and patient centered approach to health management, redefining healthcare for a brighter future. In conclusion, AI and wearable tech are at the forefront of personalized healthcare. They are key drivers of a new era where care is tailored to each individual. They empower people to take charge of their health through proactive management and real time monitoring. By embracing these technologies, we can create a healthier future where everyone has access to smarter, more efficient healthcare solutions. The fusion of AI and wearables isn't just changing healthcare, it's redefining what's possible. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of personalized healthcare powered by AI and wearable tech. Let's harness the potential of these innovations to improve lives, reduce healthcare disparities, and create a future where proactive health management is the norm. Thank you for joining today.